Here's an important question that I get asked a lot. Can chiropractic care cause a stroke? And the truth of the matter is, yes, it can. There are cervical adjustments with rotation that can cause a stroke. However, spinal decompression, which is safe, gentle, and proven, cannot cause a stroke because the maneuvering of the table itself doesn't affect the vertebral arteries that can cause a stroke. Good stuff?
Very good.
So the question is, does your chiropractor do spinal decompression, which is safe, gentle, and proven, and cannot cause a stroke?